Imagine waking up every day feeling overwhelmed by anxiety or depression, knowing you need professional help, but realizing you simply can't afford it. Unfortunately, this is the reality for millions of Americans. According to the World Health Organization in 2022, mental health is a basic human right, yet many people around the world still cannot access the care they need because of cost or limited availability. The World Health Organization is one of the most trusted public health organizations in the world. Whether it affects you personally or someone you care about, mental health challenges impact families, schools, workplace, and entire communities. Improving access to affordable mental health services is essential because everyone deserves the opportunity to receive the care they need without financial barriers. Many people who struggle with anxiety, depression, or other mental health conditions cannot afford counseling or therapy. Others live in areas where mental health providers are difficult to find. When people do not receive treatment, their mental health often becomes worse over time. Untreated mental health can affect school performance, employment, relationships, and physical health. Many people avoid seeking help because therapy is too expensive, insurance coverage is limited, or they are afraid of being judged. According to the National Institute of Mental Health in 2024, near 1 in 5 adults in the United States experience a mental health illness each year. Showing how common these conditions are. According to the National Institute of Mental Health, a government agency that researches mental illness, millions of adults experience mental health conditions every year. The Centers of Disease Control and Prevention explain that improving access to mental health service is an important part of suicide prevention because many people who die by suicide have untreated mental conditions. According to the CDC in 2025, improving access to mental health care helps prevent suicide and supports healthier communities. Mental health affects everyone. Even if you have never struggled with depression or anxiety yourself, someone you know probably has. When people cannot receive treatment, families, schools, workplaces, and communities are all affected. The best solution is to increase access to affordable mental health service by expanding communities' mental health clinics, increasing low-cost counseling options, improving insurance coverage, and providing more health resources in schools and colleges. Community clinics can offer counseling service at a reduced cost. Schools and colleges can hire additional counselors so students receive help before the problem became more serious. Telehealth counseling can provide affordable health care for people living in underserved communities. Increasing awareness about mental health can reduce stigma and encourage more people to seek treatment. According to the Mental Health American in 2024, increasing access to affordable treatment and early interventions improves recovery and overall quality of life. Some people believe expanding mental health services could cost too much money. Although expanding services requires funding, untreated mental illness often leads to higher healthcare costs, lost productivity, and emergency care. Investing in prevention and treatment saves money over time while improving people's lives. Imagine a future where everyone struggles with anxiety or depression can easily find affordable counseling without worrying about the cost. Students would have better school support, employees would be healthier and more productive, and families would experience less stress. Communities would become stronger because more people would receive the help they need before reaching a crisis. Now imagine the opposite. If mental health service remains too expensive or unreliable, more people will continue to suffer in silence. Depression, anxiety, substance abuse, homelessness, and suicide rates may continue to increase. Families will continue losing loved ones to problems that could have been prevented with proper treatment. No one should have to choose between paying their bills and getting their mental health care they need. Everyone deserves the opportunity to live a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. Support Organizations that advocate for affordable mental health care learn about the mental health resources available in your community. Encouraging friends and family to seek help if they are struggling help reduces stigma by speaking openly and respectfully about mental health. Support policies that expand affordable counseling services in schools and communities. You can begin today by learning about local mental health programs, sharing reliable mental health resources with others, and encouraging open conversations about mental wellness. Mental health is just as important as physical health. By improving access to affordable healthcare services, we can help save lives, strengthen our communities, and ensure that no one has to face mental illness alone simply because they simply because they cannot afford the treatment. Thank you.